Testile, I'm Kunsang Tenzing and I'm a Tibetan. So tomorrow on the 1st October, Chinese government is celebrating its 73rd founding anniversary of the Chinese Communist Party. As being a Tibetan, I have a question to the Chinese government. And my question is, what are you, the Chinese government, is celebrating for? Are you celebrating of the harsh oppression which resulted in killing over 1 million of Tibetans? Are you celebrating the mistreatment of Uyghurs in the concentration camps? Are you celebrating for not able to keep your promise with the Hong Kong? Seriously, what are you celebrating for? And what are you proud of? Since I, being a Tibetan, I have lived in exile for over 30 years. And the Tibetans, we have been in exile for over 60 years. Let me tell you, or let me remind you, what you have done with the Tibetan people. Your government has killed over 1 million of Tibetans. Your government has destroyed over 6,000 monasteries. To raise our voice against your government, over 160 plus Tibetans have self-immolated or burned themselves. Thus, the question is, what are you proud of and what are you celebrating for? Moreover, recently, because of your zero COVID policy, or the mismanagement of the COVID have left Tibetans in chaos. So what are you celebrating for? You are the one where the first COVID originated, which has affected millions of people all over the world, and even a lot of them lost their lives. So the question is, what are you celebrating for and what your government is proud of? In the year of 1989, you have killed over thousands of your own people at the same place, Tiananmen Square, where you are going to celebrate tomorrow. Thus, I'm here to raise my voice and ask you a simple question. What are you proud of and what are you celebrating for? I'm requesting all Tibetans, non-Tibetans, individuals and organizations to raise your voice and take part in this video message. You don't have to do anything, simply share your concern. To carry forward this challenge, I would like to nominate JC, Tringenzumla, and Pujungata from AHA Movement. And moreover, whoever is watching this video, you don't have to wait for someone to nominate you. Raise your own voice. You can take your initiative and make a short clip against Chinese government to raise your own voice. So please, let's make this a global movement. When you upload your video, please don't forget to use the hashtag #HereAreCCP, hashtag Stories of Tibetans. Thank you.